Happy holidays, PBMA families. I want to give you some information about completing the math portion of the PBMA winter break packet. For 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students, the winter break packet will focus on topics 1 to 8 from their Envisions textbooks. All 30 questions in the math portion of the packet have been covered by your students' teachers so far this year. They can use their math journals as a reference for completing the packet, as well as access these chapters from their textbook through the Clever portal at home. The winter break packets are due Wednesday, January 5th to your students' homeroom teachers. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me at jkigar@pbmalantana.org.
Happy holidays from Miss Flamia, the reading coach. I want to give you some information about completing the reading portion of the winter break packet. For 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students, the winter break packet will focus on FSA prep questions that students will see on the state test. All of the questions in the reading packet have been covered by your students' teachers so far this year. The students will read each passage and answer multiple choice questions. Make sure your child is underlining text evidence in each passage that relates to each question. The winter packets are due Wednesday, January the 5th to your student's homeroom teacher. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me at flamia@pbmalantana.org. Thank you very much.